I don't want to keep going on about my birthday. Am I paranoid about it? About the fact that no one might turn up to my 40th birthday? Stop nodding, Hemingway. Look, it might just be me in a room. Haven't invited my wife, forgot to do it. Forgot to put her on the WhatsApp message. And it did sound like I was starting to clutch at straws when I invited our newsreader, James Kelly. He said no. Ben, though, do you want to come along?
Well, I always love to go to a party, but I'm an event organiser and I specialise in 40th, so I thought I might give you a call and give you a bit of few tips.
So is a 40th, I mean, there's lots of milestones in our lives. There's 21st, there's 30th, there's 40s, there's 50th, there's 60s, 70s, and more, maybe even hundreds. Is 40 the big one? Is that where people go to and go, right, that's it, I've got kids, I've bought a house, let's get mashed?
I think so. I mean, most 40th birthday parties that we're doing at the moment are people reliving their 21st that they wish they'd had.
Exactly, and that's sort of what I'm doing because I've booked a place, it's down the road from where I live, it's nice, and I've got party paranoia though, that's the problem, Ben.
Yeah,
party
everybody's scared about parties, everybody's frightened that you're not going to get enough people coming, will there be enough drink, is it going to be freezing cold, all those kind of things.
So what's the trick then to make sure that all the people who've said they're going to come, if you look at the list, it's a good list, my producers both said they're coming, if they don't come then I swear they won't be working with me come the next weekend. But what is the trick then to make sure that everyone who said they're going to come is going to come without me just nagging them 24/7 between now and the party?
Well, first of all, you need to be definite with your date. Don't faff about asking people when, are you free, all this kind of thing. Lay down the marker, draw the line in the sand. I am having my 40th birthday on. And I think really, we kind of toy with social media invites and all that kind of thing, but nothing beats a stiff invitation in the post.
A stiff invitation, you say? Well, unfortunately, I've done it all via WhatsApp, and I made a massive group of which everyone went, oh, it's a bit big, this, I don't reply to it. What do you think about putting a bit of a bar tab on? Because the problem is, my mates are animals.
Well, but it's your 40th. You really need to have a party that you can't remember afterwards. Then it's been great.
You know what? I keep telling this to my wife. See, the problem is, the reason we're doing my birthday party about 3 weeks after my actual birthday because we've got a new baby and my wife wants to come. We just wanted to make sure the baby was old enough so she could turn up. And this is the final question. Do you think everyone I've invited is going to turn up? Is it going to be a good party? Just thinking aloud.
Do you consider yourself to be the alpha, the top person in your group? Because if you do, they'll all come because they want to come to the OJ party.
Well, I consider myself it. Whether other people consider it is another matter. But Ben, it's been fabulous talking to you. What's the name of your party planning company?
I run a company called Capability Events.
Ben, it's been fascinating, mate. Thank you so much for taking the time to give me a call.
I hope you have a great time.
Well, you're going to know because you're going to be there, Ben. You're invited.
Absolutely.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
You're feeling scared right now.